world obsessed with quiet luxury, Maybach just turned up the volume. This is the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class, and it's a masterclass in excess. It's longer, more powerful, and smarter than any S-Class before it. While others are downsizing, Mercedes is doubling down on the V12 and the best or nothing philosophy. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today we're stepping inside the most opulent office on four wheels to see if it still holds. The throne is the ultimate executive limousine. Let's talk power. The heart of the S680 remains the legendary 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12, delivering a silk-smooth 621 horsepower, but the real surprise is the updated S580. It gets the new M177 Evo V8, which now pumps out 530 horsepower, thanks to a new mild hybrid system and predictive aromatic suspension. The 0 to 60 time has dropped to just 4.3 seconds. That means the V8 is now officially as fast as the FA12, whether you want the prestige of 12 cylinders or the tech of the new 8. The performance is nothing short of effortless. Sigh. The Maybach has officially entered the era of the supercomputer. The dashboard is now dominated by the MBUX Superscreen, running the all-new MB.OS. This system is faster, more intuitive, and features an AI-driven virtual assistant that learns your habits. In the back, it's a sanctuary. You get dual 13.1-inch rear displays with detachable remotes, heated seatbelts that feel like a warm hug, and a new made-to-measure manufacturer program that offers over 400 interior color combinations. It's not just a cabin, it's a 5-star lounge. Visually, the 2027 refresh is impossible to miss. The signature grille is 20% larger and features a stunning illuminated surround, with the Maybach name etched right into the chrome. New for this year is the Night Series exterior package, which swaps traditional chrome for dark smoked finishes and rose gold headlight accents. Even the wheels are high-tech, featuring permanently upright center caps, so the Mercedes star never rotates. It's these tiny, obsessive details that separate a Maybach from everything else on the road. The 2027 Mercedes-Maybach S-Class isn't just a car. It's a reward for reaching the top, with a V12 that defies the times and tech that defines the future. Is there any other choice for the elite? Let us know in the comments. V8 or V12? Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. I'll see you in the first class.